Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back with me, WTO. Now I'm gonna make a video about how to install tempered glass on any iPad or tab or phone that has big screen like this. Okay, and of course, what you need is the tempered glass, yeah, something like that. And the second one, what you need is the wiper to wipe all the dirt from your tab surface, yeah, wipe something like this, yeah, or you can use a regular cloth. And then what you need next is the masking tips, the transparent one, something like this. Okay, uh, and this masking tape, we're gonna stick it in the corner of the tempered glass, so we can move the tempered glass if the positioning on the surface of your tab is not right, something like that. Okay, I will explain it later to you. And now let's cut the masking tape into the size that we need, about an inch maybe. Yeah, I will cut it with a scissor, of course. So basically that's what you need: tempered glass, a wiper, a masking tape, and a scissor. Yeah, very simple. So we put it aside first because we gonna need it later. So now what you have to do first is, of course, we have to wipe the dirt from the screen surface. So I'm gonna fast forward it. Okay, after the dirt is completely clear from the surfaces, we need to um, make the tempered glass fit to your screen by put it on it, but without um, without put off uh, the glue, put off the layer of the glue. So we need to clean it once more. And then after that, after it really clean, now we put off the layer of the glue, something like this, as you can see. Okay, yeah, kotak, something like that. And then now we're gonna put it on the tablet surfaces. Okay, first you need to put the masking tape on the corner, of course, something like that. Okay, now put it carefully, but don't worry, we can still do this step over and over and over again, because we already put the masking tape on the corner. Yeah, as you can see, I will lift up the masking tape if it's not in the position that we want, or if still air, bubble air, yeah, on the surface of your tab, on the surface of your tempered glass, something like that. So as you can see, I'm really careful, and I repeat this method by make sure the position is right, yeah, the left, the right one, yeah. Okay, something like that. Let's the glue stick. Okay, as you can see, there is a bubble, so I repeat the method. Yeah, I will lift up the masking tape, something like that, and I repeat the method again. Yeah, make sure there is in the tempered glass is on the right position, and there is no bubble air on the surface of your tab or iPad. Okay, as you can see, there's much many bubble air, so I will repeat the procedure all over again, something like that. Okay, very careful, because we do these by our own risk, but as you can see, there's another dirt, so I will remove and wipe it again. Okay, be patient. Yeah, the key is be patient. When you do this by yourself to install the tempered glass, yeah, what you need is be patient, because we want it to be perfect. So if you do it in a rush, there will be not perfect at all. So as you can see, I repeat the method all over and over again. As you can see. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, make sure the positioning of the tempered glass is right, and then okay, I'm gonna fast forward the video. Okay, as for the information, you already got that we have to lift the masking tape if the position is not right. So I'm gonna fast forward the video now. As you can see, it's almost done. Yeah, okay, it almost done, but there's still a bubble, yeah, on the surface. So I'm gonna repeat it once again. I'm gonna lift up the masking tape. Yeah, now I'm gonna lift it up once more, maybe twice. No, I don't know, but as you can see, I will be gentle to do it. So something like that. Yeah, okay, this is the final step of my movement. And then what you need to do at home, if you try to do this, is be patient, okay, because it will takes you maybe about 10 minutes to do this, yeah, to make it perfect. Yeah, as you can see, I make sure that the position is very, as you can see now, I will click it. Yeah, okay, it's not okay, it's still there's still a bubble. Yeah, there is still a bubble, so I will repeat it once, maybe twice, or maybe 3 times. Yeah, that's what you should do at home. Yeah, be patient, repeat it, repeat the procedure, lift the masking tape. Yeah, if it's not good enough or not perfect enough. Yeah, as you can see, I try to make sure there is no bubble on top of my screen, but because there is still a bubble, yeah, as you can see, I wipe it, but there's no, yeah, I think I cannot remove it. Okay, so now I'm gonna lift the mask once again, maybe, yeah, because the bubble is still there. So now I'm gonna lift the mask once again. Okay, something like that. Okay, yeah. Carefully, very okay. As you can see, the glue is okay. There's a bubble. Maybe I'm gonna lift it up again. Okay, make sure you do the thing that I did, something like this. Yeah, okay, very careful, very patient to do this. Yeah, be patient, be gentle. Okay, here we go. Almost done. As you can see, there's no air, bubble air anymore. Yeah. Okay, and this is the final step. We're gonna pull off the masking tape. Yeah, we're gonna pull off the masking tape. Okay, 1 2 and pull up. Okay, as you can see now, my tab on my iPad is already has the tempered glass or the screen protector. So that's what you need to do at home. Yeah, if you want to put on the tempered glass to your tab or your iPad. Okay, as you can see, it's already perfect. Thanks for watching. Yeah, remember, you can do it also. Yeah, you can do it. Ciao, ciao. See you on the next video. Bye.